everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Soapy Stories, and namhlanje guys sikhuluma ngeskim sam. We are actually speaking about Mr. Xolo. Yazini mabethu umuntu uya found out each and every day basuke ke bekhuluma ke ngo Mr. Xolo. Guys, niyabona ukuthi isimo sakhe ke asikho right at this stage. Uyapanika, yonke nje into imkhomba nje ukuthi yazini usazoshuba ngempela. Into ebuyamangaza ukuthi hayibo abantu balabazana bonke noSegoli uyazi ukuthi uhlelo uTeflop ubani bashade like really meqeda nje ukuze uGlenda ethi umphathi wakho lehasa yo ubusweni bakhe vele wakhomba ukuthi yazini uyagowa ke stro. Bathi ke namhlanje as the pressure mounts, Mr. Xolo begin to act out unexpectedly. Guys, uyapanika kakhulu bese bethi kusasa ke Mr. Xolo is triggered and exposes his sensitive side to the Siyakamelas when they criticize ex-cons. So guys, ex-con ke naye so mangabe bezobekhuluma kabi ngama ex-con le uveze linye side lakhe uba triggered ukuthi hey anazi ukuthi kahle hlejele kwenzekalani. Basibethi ke on Monday a public announcement about TEF High's new teacher leaves Mr. Xolo anxious about his future. Guys, akazolast lapha ke esikoleni uMr. Xolo akazolast ke at all. Bathi ke ngomhla ka10 uMr. Xolo uzophenika when he catches someone searching through his belongings, fearing that his secret may be discovered. So guys, emva kwalokho ke asizwa ke anything about ke uMr. Xolo. I'm not sure guys ukuthi ke kusho ukuthi ke i-character yakhe ke iyaphela yini khona la kulenyanga kuzokwenzekalani guys. But nje guys simo sakhe sibi uyambona ebusweni ukuthi yazini umuntu lo uyagowa izinto azimhambeli neze kahle guys. Uya found out each and every day. Usazobona ulehasa ngicanga ukuthi yelo amshisa isandla nangu ngapha no big ngapha naye uyamsenga imali umfuna imali each and every day. Ngapha uGlenda naye uyigirlfriend yala ahlala khona. Yo guys, kuningi ngapha bathi akahamba aye ku performance kwichoir eGoli. What if ubona ulehasa kuzokwenzakalani ngempilo yakhe necareer yakhe le ngekho yamanga vele. So guys, it's not gonna end well for him. Futhi ke nje akazi ukuthi esikoleni kwenziwani, angazi ukuthi isho njani, ongazi ukuthi ke liyaphuma noma liyashona. And that brings us to the end of this video. Do comment below and share with us ukuthi ke i-character yakhe uyayi-enjoya yini noma awa. Bye guys.